Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at a section of the book called Going to School. Just looking at this picture, do you think that you can tell what it's about? Did you say just by reading the title, it's about kids that go to school? Oh, I sure hope you did. So when I look at this, up to the first page, I see this really incredible map. And the map is telling me that all of these different places are located all around the world. I have a map key here that tells me that these are the different countries where it has the little black dot. It tells me where these students are from. And this blue part means water. What I was really interested in was learning more about Canada. So when I turned the page, I found a table of contents. And since I only want to read about Canada, I'm going to find out exactly where it is. Afghanistan, Australia, Canada. I can use the table of contents to find exactly what I want to learn about. So I only want to learn about how kids in Canada go to school. So I need to turn to page 10. All right, are you ready? Let's go to page 10. Found it. Here is page 10. Oops, sorry about that. Let's read it together. Now, after we get done reading it together, you're going to do an activity. Are you ready to stay super focused and listen? Okay, I hope so. Canada. 8-year-old Levi goes to school in Iqaluit. This town is northern Canada. From October to May, lots of snow falls here. In the winter, it is dark for most of the day. Levi is Inuit. The Inuit are native people from northern Canada. At school, Levi speaks and writes in Inuiti, the language of the Inuit. He also understands English. Levi likes working with computers. Many students in Levi's community use computers in school. Levi's town is many miles from a big city. A computer makes it easy to get information without having to travel far away to a library or bookstore. Wow, I learned so much information about Canada. So, boys and girls, what you see is a box around the illustrations or the photographs and the title. Can you cut those pictures out and put in here what the main topic is and and what the key details are? Can you add a caption to go with the key details? Press pause while you work and then press play to check your answers. Ready, set, go. All right, boys and girls, now that you've cut out all of the pictures, let's talk about what you wrote. Well, when Miss Lydell did this, I used all of the key details I could find. I put Canada in the middle for the main topic because everything we learned about had to do with Canada. I cut this picture out and I wrote the caption, Levi has a best friend, because I know in the text it told me that this was Levi's best friend. In this picture, in this key detail, I knew that children can ride snowmobiles because the caption said that they can travel using snowmobiles. Here's another key detail about how Levi keeps a journal. So my caption states, Levi keeps a journal. This is a picture of Levi's school. So for the caption I wrote to the side, his school is near the Arctic Ocean. I know that because the text told me. And in this picture, I had to use the picture to help me write a caption. And I wrote, Levi wears clothes for the cold weather. It would be silly for Levi to be wearing short sleeves and shorts and sandals because he lives where there's cold weather. That's why he goes on a snowmobile sometimes. So, boys and girls, does your paper look like mine? Did you get these right? I'm so proud of you. Good job checking your work. If you tell your teacher the word Canada, I bet you'll get a coin. Good job, stallions.